allowing specific values for an Argparse argument. Is it possible to require that an Argparse argument be one of a few preset values? My current approach would be to examine the argument manually, and if it's not one of the allowed values, call print_help and exit. Here's the current implementation. It's not that this is particularly difficult, but rather that it appears to be messy.
An Argparse argument can be limited to specific values with the choices parameter. See the docs for more details.
If you want to assemble, please consider subscribing.